Hi, today we will see how can we install PostgreSQL on Windows 11. So first of all, you need to open this link. I will provide this link in the description. I need to install it on Windows 11, so I will download through this link. Once it is downloaded, double click on it to install. So welcome screen opens, click on next. On next, here are some default components, so let default components be selected and click on next. Here you can provide default users, which is super user credentials here. For example, I provide admin, click on next. This is default port which PostgreSQL uses, so you can let it be as it is, or you can provide your own port. So click on next. The setup is complete, and now that PostgreSQL is installed, so it's asking for some additional software, so we don't need to install it, so we just cancel it. Now we go to the start and type pgAdmin. So we click on pgAdmin. It will take few minutes to open it. Once pgAdmin opens, you shall see a servers tab on the left. Click on servers tab and enter your password again to connect. So our server is connected. Now right click on databases and create database. Give some name to database. For example, I provide testdb. Click on save. So our database is created. Let's add a table. Start by now let's add a table. So click on schema, expand it. You will see public node here. Right click on it, create, and then go to table. Here you can provide name of your table. For example, employee. I define columns. Primary key. Another text. Click on save. Let's add some data to our new table. So right click on employee. To view added data, select all rows. Click on save data changes. So data is saved. So let's verify if data is saved. So I executed the query, get this result set. Thank you for watching.